Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And I did not do a plan with me this week because time got away from me and oh my goodness. So I will still go back and plan for this week just because I like to have a pretty planner. And then I'll write my stuff in there that I've done. But what I wanted to do was show you real quick how I make some of the little, let me show you here. Some of the little goodies that go on top of a planner or a travel notebook or something just to make things fun. So let's go ahead and get started. I found these guys, if you remember, at Daiso. And they come in 30 a pack and they're $1.50. And these are the perfect size with that flat for making toppers for your planner or page holders, whatever you want to call it. And then, you guys, I found these as well, Celebrated. I believe that is Michael's. And so, look at all of this. It takes all the guesswork out, but if you have any like extra ribbon or hanging around, like look, that would go pretty with that or this. In fact, I'm going to save this off to the side there. And what else do we have in here? I just put all my little bits of scraps in here. And look at this. This pretty sequins would work with this. All of them, actually. So I'm going to use a piece of the sequins as well. And I just keep everything in here. And then there's this little pom-pom ribbon. And I'll throw some of that in when it goes well with it. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to make this one here. And I'm already, this is going to be my 29th one. And that is because I'm doing a swap at the Wandering Planners Expo next week. So I hope to see you guys there. If you're in Southern California, if you're in Pomona area, or Pomona's not too far, you guys go. Look me up. I'll be there. Let me know you'll be there so that I can tell you where I'm at. But this one, this is a superhero theme, and it's already got the themes out for you. Let me real quick, just to show you because they're so darn cute. This is a princess, so that's obviously like Cinderella, right? And then this is another princess. I'm assuming that would be like Aurora. And then this one is Angel. So and the ones that I made already is, I did a bee. I did a witch, which was in that like lime green and black color. The bee, I already said, was yellows and blacks. And then the last one was, what was it? Ladybug. And it was black and red and little polka dots and super cute. So this time we're going to do superhero. I've already cut them. And so what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece. I haven't cut this one yet. But let's say this is one of them. And I already know what size I want. And it's about 6.5 inches. So I'm going to just take and cut that at about 6.5 inches. Now, if you don't already, all you have to do is cut your first piece and you'll know exactly where to cut the next one. So you can use your scissors if you'd like, and you can make it longer. Or you could also use, let's put 2 of these in here so I could show you. You could also use your rotary cutter and make sure that this is the approximate length here, and just use your rotary cutter and rotary mat, and it cuts really nicely. So there we go. Now I've got all these pieces cut, and I also grabbed this one just because it goes so well, and I also did cut a piece of that pom-pom because I just think it's cute. So I'm not real worried like about this little piece here because we are going to end up trimming it all up in the end. So we're just going to take these guys, and I'm going to like kind of see which one I like the best on the outside. And I think I'm going to go with maybe this guy on the outside. And then we're just gonna, the pom-pom's gonna be the hardest part. And I'll tell you why. We just crunch it all together here. And then the hardest part is the pom-poms. And why? Because we have to have it all fit in here. But what you can do to make it easier, when I have just a few, I just kind of stick it all in there like this, right? The pom-pom just doesn't fit as easily. So what you could do, if that's the case, is open this guy up and just go and stick them all in there. Just like that. And then let them go all the way around. And they're in there, nice and good. Just like that. Then you kind of get them to where they measure up nicely. And then this is from Sugar Paper. I've been using Stampin' Up! Ribbon on all my other ones, but I didn't have a nice red and white one that I wanted to use. I have the red and white baker's twine, but I wanted it to be a little bit thicker. And they didn't have the red and white in other than the baker's twine. So this one was $6 from Sugar Paper Twine. And you guys, if you know me, I did not pay $6 for it. I probably got it in like a Michael's bag or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this right on here because I don't really want to waste any. And I'm going to make this a little bit longer than what it needs to be. I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold this backwards. That way I get a nice tight knot. And I'm just going to tie it in a quick and easy square knot here. I'm going to pull it rather tight. Then I'm going to hold on to everything. That wasn't really a square knot. It's just like a quick knot. And we're going to wrap this around. And I'm going to wrap it around nice and tight. And with that smaller twine, I was doing 15 around. But I can obviously tell I don't need that much here. So I'm going to just wrap it around. I think that should be good. So I'm going to come down toward the bottom and meet up again here. And then now I'm going to do that square knot again. And nice and tight. And then I'm going to do this again. And then I'm going to take everything. I'm going to kind of lay it out there. Hold everything in. And then you can see where they're kind of squiggly. And you can leave it squiggly if you like it. But I'm just going to take my trimmer here and cut off what I don't want so that it's all nice and look at how cute that is. Now this little guy, I'm going to take him off. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that so cute and so like, I don't know, I just thought it kind of reminded me of like Wonder Woman. So, or you can do it for the holidays that are coming up. And then you'll just take it and you find the page that you want it to be on. And you put it in between those pages. And now you've got a nice little guy there. Look how cute that is. So this is for some people. Some people don't want all this frill all over the place, but I think it's adorable and I like it. So if you like this, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't really do it, leave a comment down below and let me know why. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So I'm going to get back to making some more of these. And you guys, stay tuned because I'm going to be making different videos all day today. I have some review items. I have some DIYs. I probably will do my planner. But if you want to see my planner, just look on Instagram because I post it each week. So, all right, beauties, have a wonderful day and I'll talk to you later. Bye.